So we got this situation. If n is the number of irrational terms in the expansion of this, then n minus 1 is divisible by. Okay, so look at this. Who is n? N is number of irrational terms. Okay, now you know that I have suggested you, whatever may be the question is, you have to focus on rational terms, correct? So suppose that we have to expand 3 power 1 by 4 plus 5 power 1 by 8 power 60. Okay, so you know that the number of terms will be n plus 1. Number of terms will be 61. Okay, now look at this. We will go with the general term. General term. So what is that means? It means 60 CR, then 3 power 1 by 4 power something, 5 power 1 by 8 power, here we will have power r, here we will have power 60 minus r, correct? Now please write down this thing in simplified form. 60 CR. Now you know that the base x and y 3 and 5 are prime numbers, so it is okay. Okay, now focus on 3. So 3 will have power as 60 minus r by 4, and 5 is having power as r by 8. Okay, now what I have suggested you guys, for rational terms you have to focus on the powers. Powers has to be integer, and I have asked you guys to uh, like you have to observe the thing in which you guys are comfortable. Okay, so I hope this is the simplified version of the power. Okay, because over there in next part you have 60 minus r plus by 4, so it is little bit of complicated thing. So what I will do, I will play with r by 8. Okay, so if the power is integer, then we can say this will be a rational term, means both power has to be integer. Okay, so integer means what? Can I say that r by 8 has to be z? Okay, can I say r should be 8 times z? Okay, now can you please tell me the range of r? R is the whole number, correct na? You know r as a whole number, so r will start from 0 and end at n. N means the power 60. Okay, but who is r? R is 8z. 8z, so it is 60. Now let's divide every side with 8 by 8. Okay, so you will have this side 0 z, and you will have 7 point something, correct? So we got z as 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we got this many integers, correct? Now be super slow. Now you have to check whether under this, for these z, are you getting power of 3 as rational or not? Okay, so how will you approach? Now you know that r is 8z. So can I write 60 minus 8z by 4? Now choose value of z. from here and check whether it is making integer or not, and which number are passed, you have to consider that thing. Now suppose that z is 0. So if z is 0, 8 times 0 is 0. So you got 60 by 4, which means 15. 15 is an integer, means 0 is pass. Now take 1. So if z is 1, so you have to subtract 8 from 60. So 52. So you got 13. 1 pass. Okay. Now take 2. So 16. 16 means 44. है ना? So 44 by 4. It is also an integer. Okay. Now take z as 3. So it is 24. So 60 minus 24 is what? So it is 36, and 36 is divisible by your 4. So it is also acceptable. Now we have to take z as 5. So it is 32, and 60 minus 32 is 28. 28 is divisible by 4, means 5 is also okay. Now we have to replace z with 6. So it is 56. You got 4, and 4 is divisible by 4. So this 6 is also acceptable. Now you have to take 7. 8 7 times 56 minus, that was 48. Okay. So 48. So you will get 12. 12 is an integer which is divisible by 4. It is okay. Now 7. 56. So 60 minus 56 is 4. 4 is divisible by. So we got all acceptable values of z. Okay. So how many z we got? Okay. So we got 8 possible values of z. So we will have 8 rational terms. Okay. We got 8 rational terms. So the number of, we are interested in finding irrational term. So it is 61, 61 minus 8. Okay. So we will get answer from here. So we got 53. Now you have to check the option by which your n minus 1 is divisible, means 52. So you have to check the option which is dividing 52. Okay. I hope you got the approach, and I know it is little bit time consuming, but if you will hold command over this partner, you can solve any question, I'm telling you. Okay. You will never fall in any kind of trap. I hope the idea is clear.